Hi everyone! Welcome back to our Japanese tutorial. Welcome back to ShekMatz Academy. This is Essential Japanese Part 3. So if you haven't watched Part 1 and Part 2, make sure to click the links below in the comment section to watch Part 1 and Part 2 of our Essential Japanese series. So this is a list of most useful Japanese expressions. And for today, we're starting with number 17. And this video for today will be about how to ask questions in Japanese. Okay? Right, so let's start. First in the list is who. Who in Japanese is?
誰誰ですか
Alright, so you can say 誰 casually, or if you want to be more polite,
誰
you
で
can
すか
say
誰ですか誰ですか誰ですか
Alright, again, who
誰
or
誰ですか
alright. And number 18,
何
what in Japanese is
何
nani. Or if you want to say it in a more polite way,
何ですか何ですか何ですか
alright, again, what
何
or
何ですか
alright. Notice that the letter U sound here is not pronounced right? It's sounds
lightly pronounced.
yeah, it's not pronounced as
ですかじゃなくて
yeah,
ですか
it's not desuka but just desuka.
ですか A bit fast.
A bit fast, or you can treat it as somehow silenced letter.
Weak sound.
Yeah, there's a weak sound, but
Weak vowel.
yeah, it's a weak vowel. So again, can you say this again?
誰ですか
Or this
何
one?
ですか
Yeah, so it's not desu, okay? Right, so number 19, what's your name?
名前は何ですか
Alright, so name in Japanese is
名前
namae.
名前は何ですか
Alright, or to make it more polite, you can add o,
お名前は何ですか
right? So onamae wa,
お名前は何ですかお名前は何ですか
right, there you go. So again, name in Japanese is
名前
okay.
お名前
Alright, and then the wa here is actually equivalent to be verbs in English. So the is, am, was, were. That is what. So what's your name is
お名前は何ですか
okay. Now, what's this?
これは何ですか
Alright. So in Japanese, this is
これ
kore. Okay? Now,
これは
what is nandeska, right? So what's this will be
これは何ですか
alright. So これは
これは何ですかこれは何ですか
alright, assuming that the item you are asking about is near you, the speaker, right? So you use this, or in Japanese, that is
これ
kore. And again, wa, this particle is equivalent to is. Okay? Is, are, was, were. So, これは何ですか? Now, if you want to ask about something that is near the person you are talking to, that will be that. So, you will use the word それ instead of これ. Okay? So, それ is actually that. Okay? That.
それは何ですか
Alright, so it will become それは何ですか? Okay? Now, if you're asking about something that is far from both of you, far from you and the person you're talking to, so you might want to ask, what's that thing over there? So that over there is
あれ、
are. Okay? That over there is are. So let me...
あれは何ですか？
Alright, so あれは何ですか? I'll just use that over there.
あれは何ですか？
Okay, there you go. Again, this in Japanese is...
これは何ですか？
Alright, so what's this?
これは何ですか？
Right, this is これ. That,
それ、
so something that is near the person you're talking to or the person you're asking. That,
それ、
and that over there, something that is far from you and the person you're talking to, that will
あれ、
be あれ. Okay, so what is that over there will be
あれは何ですか？
あれは何ですか? Okay? Right. Alright, so the next one is where.
どこ？
Okay, so where, I'll just put, put a line there. Okay, again,
どこ？
doko. So casually, you can ask where,
どこ？
right? But if you want to be polite and ask where,
どこですか？
okay.
どこ
So
ですか？
just add ですか.
どこですか？
Alright. So again, where
どこ？
or
どこですか？
doko desu ka? Alright. Now, if you want to ask, where's the restroom? Where's the restroom? So, restroom in Japanese is...
トイレ。
Okay. Well, there are many words that you can use for the word restroom. Okay. The first one, Yo Sensei just said,
トイレ。
toire. Okay. Toire. Toire is actually toilet. Okay. Toire is toilet. Okay. Another word that you can use is
お手洗い。
otearai. So otearai is
ウォシュルーム。
washroom. Okay, so you can use either toire or
お手洗い。
otearai, washroom. Now, you wanna ask where is the restroom, the washroom, the toilet? Then that will be
トイレはどこですか？
toire wa doko
トイレはどこですか？
desu ka? Okay. Alright. So again, where's the restroom
トイレはどこですか？
or the washroom?
お手洗いはどこですか？
Alright. Okay. Next, number 23. Okay. Number 23. Where are you going? So where are you going? So you're asking the person, right? Where are you going?
どこに行きますか？
Alright. In Japanese, that will be
どこに行きますか？
doko ni.
どこに行きますか？
Doko ni ikimasu ka? Now, ikimasu. This word, ikimasu, is from the word iku, which means to go. Okay? So, doko ni ikimasu ka translates to where are you going? Okay?
どこに行きますか？
Okay. Now, let me write here. Iku equals to go. Okay. Number 24. Where are you from? So you want to ask the person what country they're from or where are you from?
出身はどこですか？
Okay. 出身はどこですか?
出身はどこですか？出身はどこですか？
Okay. So, 出身 is how do you translate
Your origin.
Your origin. Okay, yeah.
Where you were born.
So, 出身はどこですか? So, where are you from? Your origin. So, if you are in Japan and someone asks you, 出身はどこですか? If you're Filipino, what will you say?
フィリピン出身です。
Alright, so that will be フィリピン出身。フィリピン出身です。
フィリピン出身です。
Okay, so again, where are you from?
出身はどこですか？
I'm from the Philippines.
フィリピン出身です。
Alright, so I'm from the Philippines, right? フィリピン出身です。Meaning,
そうか。
I'm from the Philippines. So, Philippines in Japanese is actually Philippine. Philippine. Okay? And then, number 25. How much?
いくらですか？
Okay. いくらですか？
いくらですか？
Right. So, いくら or if you want to be more polite,
いくらですか？
いくらですか? Okay. Alright. So, again, how much?
いくら
Or,
いくらですか？
okay. And lastly, we have how many?
いくつ
Okay. So, how many is いくつ or,
いくつですか？
okay. If you want to be more polite, you just add ですか? I don't think they can see it anymore. いくつ or, yeah.
いくつですか？
いくつですか? I hope you can still see it. いくつ
見える見える。
ですか?
いくつですか？
Okay, there. Okay?
はい。
いいですか? Alright, so again, okay, let's practice. Let's practice shadowing. So as soon as you hear Ryo Sensei, try to copy the pronunciation, okay, as closely as possible. Alright, we have Essential Japanese, part 3. Who?
誰ですか？
What?
何ですか？
What's your name?
お名前は何ですか？
What's this?
これは何ですか？
What's that?
それは何ですか？
What's that over there?
あれは何ですか？
Where?
どこ
Where?
どこですか？
Where's the restroom?
トイレはどこですか？
Or,
お手洗いはどこですか？
number 23, where are you going?
どこに行きますか？
Where are you from?
出身はどこですか？
I'm from the Philippines.
フィリピン出身です。
How much?
いくらですか？
How many?
いくつですか？
All right. Okay. So those are some questions in Japanese, essential questions in Japanese. And next time we will be making a lesson about counting in Japanese. So answering the question, how much and how many. Okay. Now let's do it one more time. Okay. So repeat after Ryo Sensei. Try to mimic the pronunciation. Try to copy the pronunciation as closely as possible. So we're going to do a 2-second pause for every word. Okay? Ready? So let's start here.
誰ですか？何ですか？お名前は何ですか？これは何ですか？それは何ですか？あれは何ですか？どこですか？トイレはどこですか？お手洗いはどこですか？どこに行きますか？出身はどこですか？フィリピン出身です。いくらですか？いくつですか？
All right. So that is it for our lesson tonight. We hope that you've learned something new today. And again, if you haven't watched part one and part two, please click the link below for part one and part two of Essential Japanese. Most useful Japanese phrases or Japanese expressions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.